Konnichiwa. To begin using the app, you must first provide your Google account and password to register the login, then the home page, which displays the dashboard and other features. First of which is the lesson module, which has a writing option featuring katakana, hiragana, and kanji scripts. Here, the lesson is provided through flashcards, and you have easy, good, and hard difficulty levels, as well as the option to try again. The lesson module also has the speaking option, which provides speech to text renditions on how to pronounce Japanese words and phrases.
お先に失礼します。ありがとうございます。おはよう。じゃあまた。おはようございます。
The app also has an AI chatbot feature, which you can converse with to practice what you have learned from the lesson modules. Just type your prompts and hit send. Wait for the chatbot's response.
Konnichiwa, welcome back. Let's continue our Japanese conversation. Would you like to practice more sentences about daily activities, or is there something else you want to learn?
The app also has a quiz module that lets you test your knowledge gleaned from the lesson and chatbot modules. Here, the starter quiz, which talks about the writing lessons featured in the lesson module. The dashboard at the homepage displays user progress in terms of levels, so you must take quizzes and therefore study first in order to pass these said levels. And finally, the app's quiz review feature, which shows you the questions you got wrong as well as the right answers to them. And that's all. Arigato gozaimasu!